We global now.
I know y'all was me riding because my car was dirty last video. So I went and watched that bit. You know what I'm saying? Hard work. Real scrubber dub.
I found them out the track, these Glock got extended maggings, huh? I won't be stingy with no pussy, you can have it. I gon' lie, shit ain't changed the light, so I drop that automatic. It feel good to be rich as hell, and I ain't gotta do no gun clapping, huh? How to get away with murder? I watch Law and Order, passed out in Miami.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Josh Greedy, and we back with another video. Today, we finna be putting ambient lighting in the whip. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, we finna get to it. You heard? Been wanting to do this for a while. It's a cool little mile, you know. Have a little light show inside the whip when it's nighttime. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, though. I got this from Amazon. This cost me about 20, 25 bucks. Yeah, though, y'all. We finna get to it. Do it. Alright, though, y'all. This everything that come with the little kit. Let's see. You get the lights, you got the plug, and y'all get the little trim, the little piece that open up the little compartment. You get these. This is what the light shine through. And a little car plug. Hold up. My shit broke. The fuck, y'all? My shit broke.
No, I don't think so. I think it comes like that.
I don't know, y'all. We finna see. My shit might. I hope my shit not broke. Come on, let's get to it. All right, though, y'all. So basically, all you want to do is you gonna measure from here, right here. Hold on, I don't know if y'all can see. Right here, right? Measure, boom. Measure, boom. 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 Now this is where it get tricky, y'all. You're gonna have to measure all the way here, right? Unless you wanna have it no show, shit, you're gonna have to open all this shit up, and niggas not finna do that. You just wanna measure, get your handy dandy scissors, and cut. I hope I did this right. Yeah, I'm gonna measure it again one more time. Alright, y'all. Just measured it again, and yeah, the cut. Now after this, y'all, take it out. You're gonna just feed the wire down to this little tube right here, bro. You're gonna know what I'm talking about when you get it, bro. Alright, y'all, so when y'all fed it through, you're gonna leave a little bit sticking out. Look at that. A little bit, cause with this, you're gonna have to plug this in here. You feel what I'm saying? So that way you can have lights. You're gonna have to plug this in here so that way you can have lights. And the other side, you just cut it. I think. I don't know. So y'all, now we're gonna just put it in there. Alright, y'all, got it fed through, got it sticking out a little bit, just like that. Now you want to go on the other side and measure that side, and yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, so we finally got it through, made the cut. Now we finna just take it out. You feel what I'm saying? A bit too trim. And yeah, we finna just feed this little wire through, and yeah. Alright, y'all, we got it fed through. Leave a little sticking out so that way you could put some in the little shit so your shit can light up. On the other end, you cut. Alright, y'all, we got it cut right, and leave a little sticking out so that way you can put the little shit in the light so your shit can light up. You know what I'm saying? So now, put it back in the dough. Alright, y'all, apparently I'm a dumbass. You don't put it here. You just put it right here. How the hell I'm trying to show y'all a tutorial video and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing myself. All right, y'all. Then you want to take, you know, the little light shit out, stretch this bit out, long, a bit dumb long. Gotta set up. This how we gotta set up, y'all, right here. All the way around like that, just like that. Same on the other side. Boom. Now we're finna take it and wrap it around this. And this ugly ass. All right, y'all. I ain't goddamn finished it. My damn camera died, bro. I done put it all around. Yeah, you wanna leave this hanging out a little bit. Yeah, I done already did this center console part. So, yeah. Now we finna hook the lights up, bro. All right, y'all. So you're gonna have 2 long ones and 2 short ones. What you do is you're gonna take your longest cords, separate them. I already got mine separated. Boom. You're gonna take your power cord, plug that bit up. Then you're gonna take this right here. Boom. Plug it in down. Cigarette lighter. Just like that, y'all. Now. Oh, wait. Now, look. This is where things get tricky. So, once you get everything separated, you got your 2 lights right there. You can put your short pieces in this little hole right here, and your long pieces right here, right? All right, y'all. We got the first one in, boy. This shit was so tedious, bro. All right, look. So, you're gonna need to take your 2 short ones and put them in the front right here, okay? I put my 2 back ones back here. Don't mind the little trash. Boom, there's my tripod. Boom. You're gonna need some tape, all right? So look, you're gonna wrap that around. You know how you did that, right? Boom. So you're gonna take that wire. Mind you, I have my box right here, you feel me? So boom, take them. Separate your 2 short ones and your 2 long ones. Put your 2 long ones in the back to get it out the way. Take your 2 short ones. You take 1 short one and you run it under this little trim right here, right? So look, I still gotta tuck this some more. See what I'm saying? You're gonna take it and, hold up, y'all. Boom. You're gonna take it, you're gonna tuck it, raise the steering wheel up to get your hand under here. You're gonna come from the bottom under here, push it up, grab it. I'll tape this shit right here like that. And yeah, that's how I did the dash. Now I'm finna do the doors. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown about what I did. Okay, so you're gonna take 2 long cords, right? 2 long cords, go for the door. Take the 2 long cords, boom. Now, see how these showing? You're gonna take these. You're gonna stuff them under there, just like that. Stuff them. 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 Stuff. Just stuff them. Look, just stuff. Stuff. Boom. Right. Take this one. And this one gonna go. I did this one over here. I put it under this little rail, but the cord is showing. But it ain't bad. See, like, it ain't bad. You could do it like that. Yeah. Had it going under. I took this panel off right here, y'all. Took this panel off. And the leftover what I had, I taped it all in a bundle. And put this, just slapped it back over. And I got that over there like that. Yeah, light up. Same thing on that side of the door. For the center console, had it running. See, look, cords right there. I tucked it a little bit. Ain't nobody gonna see that cord down there like that. So just have it running, and yeah, just stick it in like that. I ain't have enough to finish it right here, but yeah, this is what it look like, y'all.